How to transfer photos from Android phone to USB drive. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first step is to connect your USB drive to your Android phone. You can do it directly if your Android phone supports the USB drive. If it doesn't, you can use an adapter. Once you have connected it, you want to open the My Files option. Now tap on Images. Then you want to select the photos that you want to send to your USB drive. So go ahead and select that. You can tap on the All option over here or select whichever you want. After that is done, at the bottom you can either move these photos or you can copy them, so choose whichever option you want. I'm going to select move. Once you have selected this, now you want to head back and then select the USB drive option over here. Go ahead and select that. You can create a folder in your USB drive if you want. After that, tap on the create option and then you can simply move it over here. For that, tap on the move here option. And in this way, you can easily transfer photos from Android phone to USB drive. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.